hope you're all doing well. I hope you are of sound mind. I hope you are of sound health during this period that the whole world is going through a pandemic. It is my prayer that God will watch over you and your family during this season and beyond. Today, I want to share a very quick and simple recipe with you, something that you can knock together fairly quickly and feed your family and yourself. I know that many people are working from home, and sometimes you get into the habit of going into the fridge, picking something here and there. We want to eat healthy so that after this pandemic, you will not be a double of your size. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification button so that you get updates when a new video has been uploaded. Thank you so much for your support. Now, what are we making today? Today I'm going to show you a simple recipe. We are doing sauteed vegetables and couscous. Now, this is healthy, vegetarian, and you can knock it together within seconds. Now, if you don't want the couscous to go with your sauteed vegetables, you can just have it with salad or something else. I'm just going to make the sauteed vegetables in bulk so that I can store some in my fridge, and then I can have it during this period that I am staying at home. I want to keep fit. I don't want to become a double of my size after this season of coronavirus is over. Now let's go through the ingredients that we'll be using. So to make the sauteed vegetables today, I'm using some carrots, some parsnips, and some bell peppers, and I'm also using some scallions or spring onion, normal onions, celery, and courgette. Here is my couscous, and I've got some black pepper. This is for seasoning. I'll use it for both. And I've also got olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Some Aromat for seasoning, and I'm also using turmeric powder because I like the color it gives to the couscous. To increase the flavor of the couscous, I'm using no chicken cube. Now, you can use any cube of your choice, but this is my preference. Right now, I'm just going to chop my vegetables and I'll be right back. So that's the vegetables all chopped and ready to saute. But before we saute the vegetables, I want us to start with the couscous, and then we can set it aside whilst we do the vegetables. So we just want to start doing the couscous now. I've got my bowl here that I'm using for the couscous. Now, to make the couscous, you need if you're using 1 part of couscous, then you need 2 parts of water. So for now, I'm going to use the measure. I've got water which I have boiled up. So I'll measure 2 parts of the water because I want to make this bit of couscous. There we go. I'll put the water in, and I'll give my bowl a little wipe so that I can use it to pick the couscous. So into that hot water, I've added a little bit of turmeric powder because I like the color that it gives the couscous, and I've put in my Maggi, the Knorr cube, the bouillon cube. You could also use the Aromat as well, but I will taste it first before adding the couscous. So at the moment I'm mixing it all, I want to make sure that the bouillon is all dissolved in it. You could use Aromat if you prefer, but at this point I think I'm going to give it a taste and see how it tastes. Tastes good, yeah. I'm going to add a little bit of the Aromat. That's that. This is all dissolved. The bouillon cube and Aromat is all dissolved, as well as the turmeric. Now you could also add some black pepper as absolutely to your own taste if you like. And I think at this point we're going to measure the couscous and add it. So I'm using the same. Just like that, and add it to the water. Now what you're going to do is you have to set it aside now. So I'm going to cover it with cling film and then I'll set it aside. And what to do is you can put it in your microwave or somewhere warm and just allow it to sit on its own as you get on to preparing the sauteed vegetables. So I've just popped mine in the microwave just now. Let it sit. So into my pot, I'm going to add a bit of oil. Not too much oil. We're trying to be healthy. Now, so into the olive oil, I'm just adding the onions and the I've added the celery to the onions. I'm going to add the carrots and the parsnips because they are a little bit hard. So at this point, I'm just adding the pepper and the courgette. I'm just going to add some seasoning, the Aromat. Make sure you season it very well. It's absolutely to your own taste. And I do like the flavor of black pepper in it. So I just add some black pepper as well. Now if you do like a bit of garlic, you can add some grated ginger, garlic, or some powdered one as well. It's to your own taste. I don't like my vegetables overdone, so I will be checking this now. Amazing. So good. Now, so now that our vegetables are done, we want to check on the couscous that we put in the microwave. So there we have it. That's our couscous done, and I'm just going to garnish it with some of the scallions. Mix it all together. That's it. There you have it, and it tastes amazing. The bouillon cube and the Aromat has given it a good flavor, and the turmeric gives it a lovely color as well. Also over here we have our sauteed vegetables ready. It's still warm. You can serve it warm with your couscous, or you could set it aside and let it cool down. You could keep it in the fridge. As you can see, I've made a big batch and I'll put the rest in the fridge, which will last me a couple of days. Nice and healthy. You can eat your couscous and the vegetables as it is, or you can serve it with chicken, with fish, with anything that you fancy. And today I'm going to have mine with tuna. So here is mine served, and I'm having it with tuna as I said, but you can have it with any protein of your choice. And the remaining part of it, you can put it in your fridge and have a lid. I hope you give this recipe a try. Send me your comment, let me know how you get on. Thank you so much for watching. And whilst you're on here, why don't you click on my other videos and watch. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell so that you get updated once a new video has been uploaded. I hope you keep safe. I pray that God will protect you and your family. Until I see you in my next video, thank you so much. Bye bye. Stay safe. Mwah.